Hi and welcome to Travel Bugs. Today we're taking you on a ride down the Tubon River in a coconut boat to witness the unforgettable basket boat performance. The vibe at the coconut forest and the boat dock is absolutely electric. Music filling the air, people are chatting excitedly and the energy is contagious. The coconut boats, known as tu chai, are made of bamboo strips and coated in a waterproof resin made from coconut oil, tar and fiberglass. The boats are colorful and so are the umbrellas people use to hide from the sun. Getting into the boats was a thrill in itself. I still have no idea how we managed to keep our balance as we climbed in. For around $10 per person, they provide you with a traditional Vietnamese hat called a non-la, meaning leaf hat. For about an hour, you get to be rowed through the amazing coconut forest. There are crowds and noise at first, but then a peaceful calm takes over, and you can only hear the gentle splash of oars in the water and birds singing in the trees. All along the river there are restaurants, boats and houses with people going about their day, having a beer with a friend, hanging the washing, painting a house, repairing a boat or taking a well-deserved break after a busy day with clients on the river. We even spotted some skillful fishermen throwing their nets. If you're up to it, you can join in and learn this art. One of the most unusual sights was a printing shop on water, where an entrepreneur sits in his coconut boat with solar power and a printer, offering instant photo prints. And of course, we couldn't miss the basket boat performance. It truly was something to experience firsthand. Now that was a load of fun. If you enjoyed the video, please like it below and subscribe to our channel.